How are you all doing? Welcome back to Peepo Coin channel, where you can get your fix. I hope that today is fantastic for everyone. Sunday is a fantastic day. I hope you have a plan and are working on something for this video. We have a lot to cover and a lot going on. Cryptocurrency, summertime. The charts don't lie. Bullish candles are appearing everywhere. Volume is increasing and all the indicators lead to one thing. Alt season is ready to take off. Guess what, XRP, like a ticking time bomb, it has been expanding, accumulating, and increasing pressure. There's going to be something giving. This setup is not new to us. It moves quickly when it does. Clarity in regulations is closer than ever. Money from institutions is coming in. It's the last leg for the SEC. Furthermore, 2025 appears to be the year that XRP finally ascends to the top. It's more than just hype. We're discussing how the financial system is changing and how the fundamentals are stronger than ever. Those that are paying attention are positioning themselves for enormous profits as blockchain use soars. Are you ready for what's about to happen? Make sure you subscribe, click the like button, and enable notifications if you're prepared to ride this wave. Since we have only just begun, let's discuss it, people. 82,926 Bitcoin. It has now dropped 1.6% over the last day. Ethereum is down 2.19% at 1,885, while the USDT and USDC are both down 20.31 cents from their dollar pegs. With a total cryptocurrency market cap of $2,679 million up, it is attempting to show some life on the hourly chart despite being down nearly 5% over the last day. Simply put, everyone is making fun of us XRP holders by accusing us of being scammers, claiming that XRP is a fake, not a blockchain, and having no use case. Just a few months ago, I was sitting here at 5x. Where are the cryptocurrency gurus who promoted Ethereum in the meantime, since they are currently quite silent? Simply put, my best investment advice is to do the exact opposite of what Twitter experts advise. It's that easy, people. That simple, dude, is it. Get your merchandise from the cryptocurrency store if you haven't already. The monkey shirt is the most popular of the first two shirts. After then, the history of money explains how it began and progresses to the king's throne and the significant change. $35 XRP. Free worldwide shipping on the most affordable cryptocurrency t-shirts. You'll discover that we have the same shirt for $24.99. Others are charging you between $40 and $50. That's what we do. Pay attention to what we do, people. Obtain the merge for yourself. We found a small pattern in this Bitcoin swap contract. Our goal is to play out here. As you can see, we had a rise up in the first leg. It caused Bitcoin to peak at 84K. A slight decline then occurred at this point. Bitcoin has dropped to the upper $70,000 range, after which it had a slight uptick above $80,000. And I anticipate further decline. Make sure to join the Patreon club if you're not already at just $5 per month and offers ad-free material. There are other tiers as well. I'll be sharing my predictions about the market's future. We're not out, in my opinion. We're not necessarily out of the water yet, in my opinion. No, I don't. Something really unexpected is likely to happen here pretty soon, in my opinion. This was put out by Smoke Dog. It's really awesome. Ripple describes how customers won't be able to see the price of XRP. Additionally, they mention whether XRP has a better value here. Because it enhances network liquidity, it raises the solution's value. Compared to other currencies, XRP can express a greater value. States, the price of XRP must be greater for Ripple's solution to work. Pay close attention. And there has always been the question, get up. Why is the pricing higher, considering that XRP used to be 30 cents, 17 cents, 10 cents, and 1 cent? It's $2 now, too. The cost is higher because we will always think, wow, that's $2.50 when we hear this context or this video, and the price is greater. The cost must be higher. However, that's not the right response in this case. What does Ripple perceive to be a higher price is the right response. They might have been discussing a greater price of $2 or perhaps $10, $50, or $100. We don't know, people. We're not sure. We don't know, which is the wonderful thing about cryptocurrency. And this voyage and this experience are why we are all here. It's similar to receiving a surprise present. Although you have no idea what will come of it, you are certain that something will. It will even be anything you desire, you're ecstatic about, or will you say, hey, great, listen up. Are you subject to changes in the cryptocurrency's price as a customer? Yes, that is a really good question. No. As a company with years of experience in this field, we are aware of the senders and recipients' intense attention to fiat. That is the entire enterprise, the lifeblood and the lifeline. Therefore, we conceal any actual insight about the cryptocurrency XRP. You'll essentially only see a peer-to-peer payment option in the system. As a result, we conceal and shield our clients from any changes in the open market. For example, you don't care how much XRP is worth in Singapore dollars. For instance, all you want to know is if you may transfer your $1 million payment. As a result, the client is never subject to changes in the digital assets pricing. Yes. All right. In the past, we have discussed the fact that customers will be unaware that they are utilizing XRP, the same configuration as when sending an email. Do you give a damn about what goes on behind the scenes when you send an email? No, is the response. Only one thing matters to you. The email is received after you press the send button. That's what will take place. Because they should be witnessing extremely low front-end costs, the customer will gain from a digital asset XRP transfer. It now depends entirely on the supplier. For instance, Western Union uses XRP and is aware that it saves them, say, 75% on the back end because they switch to digital assets, which can release a lot of latent capital or counterparty concerns related to the payout. Do they let the customer know about that? We all know that XRP will be operating in the background of the new financial system, but everything will depend on that. Hey, summer's here, Nihilist thinks. Bitcoin is 52% dominant, ETH is 10,000, Bitcoin is 160, and altcoins are increasing daily. That's on the horizon. The future is that. For this year, that is what it contains. I continue to anticipate a promotion by the end of April at the latest, since we have been stating that Q1 will end and Q2 will begin. If we don't advance, we will be in the last month of Q1. Thus, regrettably, we must just reduce our expectations on the prices of these assets. The charts will be asking us to do that, even though I don't want to have to. I hope these items become successful. I hope that XRP reaches an unimaginably high level that we have never imagined. The Coinbase CEO millions will be multiplied by Bitcoin. It will arrive. We have witnessed simply amazing growth, and yesterday I believe it reached a record level. We are therefore rather pleased with that. However, I believe that Bitcoin's price will eventually reach the millions or even millions. In other words, an increasing number of institutional clients are adopting it. The ETFs generated a significant amount of inflow. It would be a significant milestone if the U.S. passed explicit law. The rest of the G20 would most likely follow the U.S. if it adopted the strategic Bitcoin reserve approach. Actually, I've talked about the concept of a strategic Bitcoin reserve with several finance ministers from across the world here in Switzerland, and they're becoming more interested in it now that the U.S. is investigating it. Bitcoin has a long way to go, in my opinion. It will become the new gold standard, but cryptocurrency is much more than that. It has to do with money. Crypto will be quite popular. The transformation that is currently taking place is visible to you, our eyes companion. The institutional money that is flowing in is visible. Trump's announcement that there will be no tax on cryptocurrency is one of the main drivers of this bull run, and in my opinion, it will be the primary driver that initiates it. Money from the stock market will be rotated over. Additionally, new funds will be entering the cryptocurrency market. It's huge that there is no tax, especially for traders. As you can see, those who are trading in the stock market, purchasing one stock, selling another, and buying this, selling that, are subject to tax charges for each transaction. If they are able to do it in cryptocurrency, the TA will improve as more money enters the market. Our cryptocurrency holdings are $5, $7, or $10 trillion. They will be able to begin trading and make moves once they're